Hey guys, what's up? Dubsinator here. Just wanted to thank everybody. If you like what you see, please smash that like button and subscribe to my page. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to solder a buzzer on your do-it-yourself drone. Now, here comes the video. Enjoy. First, you're going to need solder. You're going to need solder iron. Way because we ain't gonna need this right now. Let's get that out of the way. And then of course your buzzer. Those are the main things you're gonna need doing this. Set aside this video. Now the opening of the buzzer. And there was one more thing that I forgot to tell you. The instructions. There is no instructions. You have to use that on your phone to get the instructions and all that. And now, just to make sure that that thing's pretty snug. Pretty snug. Now make sure to come back and I'll show you how to hook up my way on the drone. Dubsinator's on out, and I will see you later. Peace! Hey guys, so I hope you enjoyed that little tutorial of how to solder a buzzer. Make sure to tune in, subscribe to my page, and come back to see how to install the buzzer on your drone. Make sure to come back for that. Make sure to smash that like button, come back and come check it out.